Hi guys, welcome to our channel Fitbox Review. Today we are reviewing Nouriza peanut butter, unsweetened, ordered by Healthcart. Now we are going to unbox this thing and see the quality of peanut butter and to check whether the product received has been original or not. As you can see guys, we have received two peanut butter boxes, which is unsweetened. It's crunchy flavor, unsweetened peanut butter. Checking out the nutritional fact, it has 30 grams of protein, 592 grams of calories as per 100 gram, 90.5 gram of carbohydrates, which seems to be a pretty good macros. We have the identical product. Now I'm going to open this and it's sealed. The second box sealed. And the best part of this peanut butter is that this is unsweetened. It does not give you extra sugar at all. Alright guys, we are wrapping up with this. Keep updated with us, like us, subscribe us, and we'll be coming up with more videos. Thank you.